while we're waiting for the boat to come to Belize, to take us to Belize. And this is how you enjoy Livingston to the max. Okay. The beach, so this is you want to get out like vest right here. You know, I was say, hey, where my vest at, lady? You don't here with no vest. I said, we gotta go pick it up.
All these boats, them niggas work line.
You said they
Work line. No one knows.
right. As we were walking, we go check into our Airbnb. We almost missed it, baby, but we got it. With the bags on, we came to get it turned. With the locals of Belize. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right there, over there, he says a type of porridge, and it is delicious. Good gosh. Okay. I had to ask to the course, I don't got none of their money. We just got here, and they said they don't take US, so we gotta check in. So that way we can find a bank, an ATM, so I can get some of their currency. But this right here,
Happy Garifuna celebration.
Is amazing.
Happy 19th to all from St. Peter, Claver, and Racine.
What they got on this float? Okay, she down there dancing. I think they get ready to go down to Central Park. After we going there later. Okay. Oh man, look at little orange. That's why you come to experience. Thank you. It's filming now. Live from Puerto, Belize. Yes, sir. Welcome to Belize.